Congratulations, Executive Governor of Abia State, Dr. Ikpeazu. Can we please step behind for the presentation to be done, please?
We would like our guests of the recipient to please step back and let the recipients and the presenters come forward for pictures. Thank you for your cooperation. It is greatly appreciated. We'd like to ask
it's indeed a great honor to present this award courtesy the Sun Voice of the Nation, the Sun Awards 2022 to the Governor of the Year, presented to His Excellency Dr. Ikpeazu, Governor, Abia State. Please, a resounding round of applause for him now. I'm not satisfied. Please give him a resounding round of applause. Congratulations.
we would like our recipients to get an opportunity to respond to his award.
Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, please let me rely on the layers of recognitions established and to say a very thank you to the management of Sun Newspapers for providing this wonderful platform. I feel inspired, I feel honored. This award I will dedicate to the memory of my brother, my friend, and my compatriot, Professor Ikonne, who departed on the 25th of this month, and to say to him wherever he is today, that to keep the fire aglow. And to say to him also, though his own sun has dimmed, but the sun is on my roof today, and the sun will come to the roof of all of us someday. May it be so in Jesus' name.
Thank you very much, sir, for
Thank
keeping
you, sir.
it short and simple.
So we're going to ask. Okay, looks like it's everyone. No?
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much. We're going to ask our presenters to please remain on stage.
Our presenters, please. Our presenters to remain on stage.
We're going to ask our AAC to please come back.
Obade, please. Back on stage.
You're not done, sir.
Back on stage. You have two more to present. Or Neo Vife, kindly return to the stage. Next.